We like to laugh at Frankenstein, at Mary Shelley for saying that lightning striking a dead body with lightning over and over again could actually create life. But it's kind of shocking how close she got it, how closely she got to the actual truth of the matter, which was if you take like this aqueous environment, this ocean with methane and hydrogen and nitrogen and all of these gases, and you strike it with lightning, you can actually produce organic chemicals from it, like organic compounds, like all of the 21 amino acids. And we're still learning things about this experiment, by the way. Because in 1953, there was this scientist named Harold Urey, and he was a Nobel laureate at the time. But the real guy who was behind it was this guy named Stanley Miller. He was this 23-year-old, bright-eyed graduate student who had kind of nothing to lose. He had nothing to show for it at the time. He had attended one of Urey's lectures earlier about the synthesis of potential biological compounds in a aqueous environment. And Harold Urey had talked about this theoretically, but when Stanley actually approached Urey, Urey said, "No, you're not going to find anything. Just nobody else has found anything. And you're 23 years old. You're just a budding scientist. You're not going to find anything either." And he told him to go instead extract elements from meteorites. But Miller, thankfully, was like, "No, this is going to be the thing that makes my career. I am invested. I am ready." And he did this thing where he put a boiling flask, and he had water, and he dissolved elements in this water like methane. He dissolved oxygen, and he dissolved nitrogen into this water, and he struck it with lightning. He mixed all these compounds to simulate like this primordial earth, and he struck lightning into the bottle over and over again, and eventually he made amino acids. So he proved exactly what he thought would happen. He showed that the origin of life was possible to occur. He didn't show that life was like occurring at that moment. He showed that you could create organic compounds from virtually nothing. You could create organization from chaos. That's one of the most like significant scientific breakthroughs in biology of the last century, because it showed basically the origin of what could be life.
Okay, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.